A drum containing 75 liters of pure alcohol. 15 liters of alcohol is removed and substituted with water. The least number of such substitutions so that there is at least 50% of the solution. At least 50% of the solution means next time withdrawn it would be less than 50%. Here this problem is nothing but concept of repetitive withdrawal. These concepts used here. Here how much fraction withdrawn? First point, fraction withdrawn is 15 liter removed and the same amount of water added. So it is from 75 liter, 15 liter withdrawn. It is the fraction. 1/5. Then after one withdraw, the amount of water is at least 50% of the solution. Drum containing 75% of 75 liter of pure alcohol. So remaining alcohol will be equal to initial after fast withdrawal will be initial amount, which is 75 multiplied by fraction removed, 1 minus 1/5, 4/5. This one is the remaining alcohol after first withdrawal. And what I need to find that how many such withdrawal is required. Like if it is n withdrawal, after n withdrawal, it should be 75 into 4/5 to the power n. Now the least number of such n value I need to find least such that the water is at least 50% of the solution. Water remaining 50% of the solution at least. After that water is so the meaning of the sentence that water remains 50% of the solution at least means water is increasing and I want to find that least number of withdrawal. That means my requirement is find least value of n. That is my requirement. So that what happened? Water need to be at least 50%. So 50 or more. So basically these withdrawal need to be in this scenario so that it is becoming just less than equal to 50%. Now it is alcohol, and if it is a fraction of alcohol which remain, that is 50%. If I want to find fraction of alcohol remain after n withdraw is nothing but 70, the entire value divided by 75, which would be 4/5 to the power n. This value, this fraction, it would be less than equal to 50, means half. So our requirement that least value of n, so that this 4/5 to the power n need to be less than equal to half. These I need to find. Or it is 0.8 into 0.8. How many times I will do? Now it is 0.64. into 0.8, if I do 80% of 64, so it should be 20% less means 12. So still it is remaining that another 0.8 if I do, then it would be, then it is less than half. So 4 number of times it need to be done, and 4 number of times means minimum 4. Now in this entire part I need to tell you one another thing, that is the calculation what I am doing. Mental calculation is possible in this case. What is that mental calculation? Please understand that I need to make calculation that how many times it need to be so that it is less than half. Initial calculation of 2 times 8 means 0.8 into 0.8 if I do, it is 0.64. Now if I do another, that means 0.64 into 0.8, what is our requirement? 20% less of 0.64. What is 0.64? 10%. That should be, let's say 0.64 I am removing, point part I am removing, so 10% will be 6.4, 20% will be 12.8. So from 64, if I am subtracting 12.8, it would be nothing but 52, 51 point, that means 0.512. Now another multiplication, that means 0.512 multiplication of 0.8 if I do, definitely this is less than half. That much mental calculation required. Exact calculation not required. It is less than half. But the third multiplication also still it is not less than half. If you know the cube of 8, 512 initially you can find rather than going by 20%. If you want to make the calculation, that's why you can do it 20% reduction. However, 4 times need to be done, and our answer it would be option B, which is 4. And this is repetitive withdrawal.